Cooking with Miss G, and squash casserole is on the menu.
This is what you need to make squash casserole. 1 can of cream of chicken soup, 1 sleeve of Ritz crackers, fresh squash, 1 onion, 1 egg, a stick of butter, a cup of mayonnaise, and sharp cheddar cheese. Okay, to start off for my squash casserole, I'm going to cut my squash up. Try to keep it as even as you can. Try to make your pieces kind of the same size. Okay, so I've got all of my squash sliced, and I'm just going to slice my onion in with my squash. I need to sharpen my knives. Okay, so I'm just going to set that aside. I'm just going to give it a little mix. And I'm going to set these aside. Now I'm going to do my liquid ingredients. I have a cup of mayonnaise. I have a can of cream of chicken soup. This squash casserole recipe is great to have during the summer when your summer squash is coming in. You've got so much squash you don't know what to do with it, and you've already fried it. This is a good thing to do. I sometimes put zucchini in it also. Just whatever I have. You need an egg. And you're going to put a cup of cheese. Now, I've already used about a cup out of this bag, so I'm just going to pour the rest of this bag out. A cup of cheese. Okay, we're going to mix that all together. We're going to pour some salt and pepper in. Mix that. Then we're going to pour squash and onion in and just coat it. You're going to spray your baking dish. And pour your squash casserole mixture in. Spread it out. You're going to take that sleeve of Ritz crackers and crush it. And I kind of do it over because sometimes this part busts and you might have a mess. Sometimes I just go ahead and put it in a Ziploc bag so I don't mess my kitchen up. Okay, we're going to top of our casserole with the Ritz cracker crumbs. And then melted my stick of butter. And I'm just going to pour it over the top. Some people go ahead and just pour their Ritz crackers directly in the butter, but I just do it this way. Just takes a step out. Okay, and that's going to go in a preheated oven, 350-degree oven for an hour. We'll see you in an hour. This is the finished product of squash casserole.